405 quarters.
Get me out of here,
Start
bro.
me another unit, please.
Fucking day, bro.
Yo, what's up? Yo, get on the fucking ground.
On this chaotic night, October 4th, 2024, officers pulled over a white BMW that came flying down the highway like it was in Fast and Furious. Inside was 31-year-old Carmelo Burchette, and let's just say, this man was having a really bad day. Officers pulled him over for going 77 in a 45, but instead of taking his ticket like a normal person, Carmelo decided to spice things up, screaming, hopping out of the car without permission, and forcing officers to tackle him to the ground.
91 Parkway, please. Also, my God. This shouldn't be recorded, right? You have a registration on you? All right, you gotta slow it down, all right? 77, passing cars on the right, all that, you gotta slow it down, all right, man? Also, you can't have that out there like that. It has to be in its original package.
I'm having a bad day, bro. Can I get my ticket and go, please? I'm having a really bad day. Like,
okay, I understand.
Here, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Stay in the car, please. Sir, stay in the car. I'm telling you to stay in the car. You're on a traffic stop? Stay in the car.
Get the fuck up, man. Get the fuck up. Fuck.
Sir, please stay in the car.
Get out of here! Get me out of here!
405 quarters.
Get me out of here,
Start
bro.
me another unit, please. Sir, stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Sir! Yo! Get in the car! I'm not gonna tell you again! Get in the car! Get in the car! Sir, I am gonna give you a ticket. Just stay in the... Sir!
Give me my fucking ticket!
Sir, stay...
Give me my ticket!
Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Stay in the car, please. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Alright, I'm gonna be right with you. Can you... Sir, I'm gonna be right with you. Stay in the car. Sir, can you please stay in the car? Alright.
I'm tired of everything.
Alright.
I'm tired of y'all. I'm tired of this fucking ticket. I'm tired of this fucking...
Alright. So,
fucking car too, bro.
can we have a talk? Alright.
I'm fucking tired of these fucking bills. I'm tired of life.
Quarters.
This shit is
Expedite,
getting
please.
fucking annoying.
Listen.
I'm tired of these fucking kids too, man. That can fucking happen.
Sir.
I know what's going on. He's yelling.
Expedite. He just, belligerent. Sir.
I'm not fucking belligerent. I'm having a bad fucking day.
Okay, but you're not giving me a chance to talk to you. Why can't you make this easier for both of us? I'm working with you, but you came at me all hard and everything. I'm trying to work with you. Am I not? I told you I'm going to be right with you, and you come out the car and you start going into traffic. You're having a bad day, correct?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Do you think I'm here to make it bad for you? I explained to you why I stopped you. What makes you think I'm trying to make your day bad and continue to be bad? I'm not. I got to do a job at the end of the day, and this is my job. But it's uncalled for you to harm yourself and to get into traffic like that. And this is father to father, okay? Your kids need you, man. All right? You doing what you're doing, it's just gonna harm them, right? Because it's gonna put them in a bad spot with their dad not being there. Slamming doors, jumping into traffic, it's not gonna help you or help me. And you're just gonna make my day harder, and I'm gonna have to do certain things I don't want to do. But I'm here to work with you, man. All right, just step out the car. We're gonna get some fresh air, okay? I don't want you seeing in the car. All right? You step out the car, and we're gonna get fresh air. All right? That's my sergeant, by the way, as well. Yeah?
I'll take that. You put that in my trunk. Put that in my trunk with my tools.
Was that just a tool?
I said you can put it in my trunk with my tools.
Is that what it is? Just a tool?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Would you? All right, just stand back here to get some fresh air, all right? No. I was just in my car giving him verbal commands. He refused. Finally came back when his car slammed his car door, possibly breaking it. And then I don't know what happened. Goes back in. We start talking, having just a man-to-man conversation. He's talking about his life, so that's when I kind of brought it down a notch. I said, listen, man, you going to harm yourself jumping into traffic like that? It's not good. You got kids, you got family, you got all that. So, we had a man-to-man talk. He calmed down.
Who do you want me to call?
Somebody.
You have to go to the hospital.
I'm not going nowhere, bro.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Unfortunately, you are.
I'm not.
You made statements. I tried to be polite and easy about it. Okay?
Yo, Siri, call my baby. Hey, Siri, call my baby. Yo, these niggas gonna end up fucking me up on the carpet. They not taking me or my car. They gonna have to whip my ass. So they try to take me to the hospital.
Yeah. Yo. What's up? Yo, get on the fucking ground. I got one hand.
Hey! 7 on element color black.
Hey, girl.
I'm not even fighting you, bro. I'm not even fighting.
Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your
You got
back.
my fucking hand, bro.
Hands behind your back.
You got my hand.
Let go of your right hand. Put it behind your back.
You
Do it
got my
now.
hand, bro.
Hands behind your back.
I got it.
You have my fucking hand.
God, my radio's somewhere there.
It's right here.
Hit me in the face like
I did not touch you. Stop lying. You got cameras. You got cameras, so stop lying.
We sent one resist. It's like on a law enforcement officer. Can we get the next shift out here?
You good, Greg?
Of course you do. You got cameras. Y'all got cameras, so stop
Give me
it.
right here.
You're bleeding, Greg.
You're lying. You got cameras.
That's fine. That's what it shows, man. You didn't have to do that. Yeah. We got your stuff. You got his wallet? Look, right here.
In that car right there.
Where y'all taking me, man?
We're going to the police station.
While the officers are driving Carmelo to the station, comment down below your thoughts and what would you do different if that was you?
Go home?
Probably not. You're going to come back here and get your criminal charges in against you.
For what?
Like a law enforcement
Get the fuck out. You got cameras, bro. Alright, let me call my girl so we can get this shit over with, man. Let's get serious.
Left or righty?
I'm righty. When did I ever try to hit any one of y'all? When did I
You sure you're righty?
I tried to grab
You're
your
lefty
gun?
or righty?
For real?
Sorry, you're lefty or righty?
I'm a righty, bro.
You right with
What's your name?
Like, why we gotta play the bullshit games?
Hold on, put your hand on top of your head.
This one?
Correct.
Yeah.
You to my criminal charges. Like, I never touched either one of you.
Around me.
None of
Take a
y'all.
seat.
Which way?
Take a seat. Right there.
It needs a little snuggle.
Sorry, give me a minute.
So you gonna try to pin criminal charges on me for what? I didn't touch
We're not
either
doing
one of y'all.
anything on you. You did it.
I didn't touch neither one of y'all, bro. Like, let's be real.
We have multiple officers that are bleeding, like yourself.
And you have cameras.
Yeah.
So play the camera. When did I touch you?
I watched you hit
I was backing up the whole time, bro.
and obstructing and resisting arrest.
Come on. Resisting arrest is more realistic, bro.
Okay, and assault on a law enforcement officer.
I didn't
too.
touch. I never moved my hands.
Okay.
Stretcher in there? Do you know? Yeah.
Does he need to be restrained?
He's cooperative right now.
Okay.
I don't know if he's gonna.
Walk all the way out.
Yeah. So do you want to get the stretcher closer to here, and we'll put him in there in the bay?
He's not able to walk.
Yeah, he's able to walk, but just so he's a little bit more. Yeah. Sarge, we're gonna bring the stretcher now. We'll walk him out.
How old is he?
Hold on. Born in 82. 42?
That's my cell phone. Can I answer it, please?
Not right now. All right, just give us
My
this.
girlfriend. Just tell her I'm here, please.
Yeah,
Just tell her I'm here, please.
I got you. Hello? How you doing, ma'am? This is the Parkway Police. Well, we're located at Alpine Approach Road.
Can you loosen this, please?
We're taking you out.
It's some tight though.
No, we're taking you on now. We're taking that off.
Oh.
We're the ambulance is gonna check you out. So.
So the ambulance don't let me go. I'm coming back here for real.
No, you gotta go to the hospital, get checked out.
I'm talking about the criminal charges that your boy talking about.
Yeah, that you gotta come back for.
Is he? We got one? Where are they?
They're right here, they're waiting.
Oh, those-
Yeah.
where?
I'm just waiting for another body so we can.
You got one right here.
Yeah, let's go, Colin.
Sooner you can stand, the sooner you can be done.
Yep.
So what's the other charges?
For what? For
You talking about I hit y'all try to grab somebody's gun? Like, come on. You got 5 guys with 5 cameras. You gonna really try to pin that on me?
just stand up real quick. Just put your head on there. Alright, I'll loosen that up, alright?
Yeah, no doubt. But like I said, those charges are bullshit.
Well, you gotta see the judge anyway, so just let the judge know you talk to
Judge
him.
for what?
Huh?
Judge for what?
Because if there's charges, you gotta see the judge.
Yeah, but what charges?
What did they tell you here?
He said assault on an officer,
So what?
and the other officer said I tried to grab his
Hold on,
gun.
hold on. I know what's going on here. Hold on.
So what I'm saying is there's 6 of us here.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we're all smart enough that you all got cameras and that's
We all
not gonna
got
fly.
everything. Everything's recorded. All right. So put your hands. But yeah, there you go. So it's more comfortable for you, and you're not getting pinched. Better?
So I'm sleeping in this building tonight, or I'm going somewhere else.
No, you're gonna go somewhere else. There's nowhere to sleep here. I don't think it's not too comfortable here.
They got detention centers.
Is that good?
Like that.
You good there? Mm-hmm. All right.
You lock them.
Now they lock. All right, we go. All right, we're gonna walk out.
My wallet.
I'm taking all that. Just hold on. Stand right here.
You got to call my job and tell them I'm not coming in.
What's your job?
I can tell Siri to call right now.
Do you know
I can tell Siri
does your girl know your?
No, she don't.
She
know.
don't?
Nah.
All right.
I can tell my phone to call him.
Are your teeth in there?
I got him in.
All right. But you need this.
Yeah.
All right.
Can I call my boss real quick?
Your phone's going with you.
Yeah, I tell Siri to call right now. I'm speaking.
Do it in the ambulance so we get out of here. Because I know you don't want to stay here any much longer.
I ain't going home, so it doesn't matter.
So, just be cooperative with them, man. Alright, the ambulance is going to get you checked out, do what they got to do, clean you up, alright?
I don't care about cleaning up. I want to go home.
Yeah,
I'm not
no,
going
well,
home tonight.
that's blowing up. They got to clean that up. They can't leave it like that.
Nah, but I want it like that when I go to court so the judge can see it.
Hi, sir. Can you come here? Sit over here for me.
Cool. I don't want y'all to clean nothing. I don't want you cleaning my face, the blood, nothing. I want to go to court just like this.
I need uncuff.
Yeah.
You need to uncuff me, you said? For what?
Well, hold on. Sir, are you comfortable like that or no?
Yeah, but don't clean me up.
All right.
No,
Okay. We're not cleaning up. All right.
Cleaning
Just
up.
lean back, sir.
What do you want me to do?
What do you want to do with
We're
this?
just
Probably want to
bubbly up. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Just 26 communications. We are arriving in
You gotta start typing.
Charges.
For the charges?
Yeah. And then he's gonna go. I'm gonna go with him.
He's staying over there?
Huh? I don't know.
If the guy don't put them bullshit charges on me, I could go home.
Sir, do you want to come forward more, or are you okay
I'm
with this?
fine. I'm trying to communicate with these guys.
I understand. I'm just trying to make sure that you have circulation in the back of your hand.
And where's
Okay. Well, that's what I'm asking, sir.
After being detained, Carmelo was taken to a nearby medical center for evaluation due to statements about harming himself. Officers reported visible self-inflicted injuries from slamming into the partition inside the squad car. He was ultimately charged with resisting arrest, disarming a law enforcement officer, aggravated assault on police. All of this because he didn't want to sit in his car. Let this be a lesson. Yelling at cops ignoring commands and charging into traffic is not the move. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before I pull you over next. And while you're here, check out these other wild videos YouTube says you'll love.